Hello guys, I'm Eve. In this video I am going to show you how you can create a Pong game in Python by using AI. So here I can come on ChatGPT and ask help me to create a Pong game in Python like this and press enter. It will give me some codes that can I use it to play a Pong game. This is show me to write a bit of codes that can I use. Let me come here on my PyCharm. I can use Visual Studio, but I have to use this IDE of PyCharm because it is better to provide the output of Python on my PyCharm and create a new folder. Let me create a new project. I can name it as a Pong game. Let me write Pong game and click here on create on this window. Let me try to close this and I can create here all the things I have, and then I can come on terminal. Let me wait for installing this. I can come here on terminal and write pip to install my package of Pygame. Pip install Pygame like this, because when we come here on our chat AI, it shows us to install our package. We must have to write pip install Pygame by using pip. So, and I can press enter. After installing this kind of the package have been installed already, I have to come here and take this code and paste here. So after pasting it, I can come here and read the instruction they provide. This is an explanation to run the Pygame Pong.py. So let me copy this and open. When I come here on run, to show me the result of my Pygame. You look here, I have to use W and S. I can come and play my game. Look, my game has been done correctly in few time. So thanks for watching. Remember to click on subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.